Have you ever wondered how your phone just knows to unlock when it sees your face? Or how your smart speaker instantly hears your command to play a song? Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the incredible AI that gives our favorite devices the senses of sight and hearing. And just so you know, everything we're about to explore is based on Chapter 6 of the course, an introduction to artificial intelligence for students ages 12 to 15 from Virtualization Options LLC. Okay, now let's get into the really cool stuff. So let's kick things off with this. Have you ever really thought about how those Snapchat filters stick to your face perfectly, no matter how much you move your head? Or how your phone just unlocks the second you look at it? It's not magic, I promise. It's actually a super powerful type of AI at work. And that's exactly what we're diving into today, how we're giving machines the senses of sight and hearing. It's what turns a regular gadget into a smart companion.
First up, let's talk about AI's eyes. This field is called computer vision.
So what in the world is computer vision? Well, think of it like this. It's the whole area of AI that's all about teaching machines how to see and make sense of the visual world around them. We're basically giving computers the gift of sight. Okay, so how does an AI actually see? This is where it gets really interesting. See, when a computer looks at a picture of your dog, it doesn't see a dog. It just sees a giant grid of millions of tiny colored dots, right? We call them pixels. The AI's job is to look at all those pixels and find patterns, like edges, shapes, and colors, and then learn that a certain collection of patterns equals dog.
And the wild part is, you're already using this tech every single day. It's the face recognition that unlocks your phone. It's the AR filters that put those perfect dog ears on you. But it's also doing some seriously important work, like helping self-driving cars see a pedestrian, or even helping doctors spot diseases in X-rays way earlier.
All right, so we've covered AI's eyes. Now, it's time to talk about its ears, speech recognition.
If you've ever yelled, "Hey Siri," or "Okay Google," then you've used this. Speech recognition is simply the AI's ability to listen to what we say and turn it into something it can use, like written text or a command. You might also hear it called voice recognition or speech to text. It's all the same thing.
So how does your speaker know you want to listen to your favorite song? Well, first, a microphone grabs the sound waves from your voice. Then, the AI chops that sound up into tiny little pieces and analyzes the patterns. After that, it plays a matching game, connecting those sound patterns to words it already knows. And finally, boom, it either types out what you said or, in this case, starts blasting your music.
But here's something really important to remember. Understanding us is actually super hard for a machine. I mean, think about it. We all have different accents. There's almost always some kind of background noise. We use words that sound exactly the same but mean totally different things, like there, and there. And we pause and use filler words all the time. The AI has to figure all of that out.
But even with all those challenges, just look at what this tech makes possible. It's the brain behind Siri and Alexa. It's how YouTube can create captions for videos in real time. It's even in those amazing apps that can translate a conversation as it's happening. This isn't just cool, it's incredibly useful.
So, we've looked at how AI sees and how it hears. But what's the big idea that ties it all together? It's all about turning meaningless data, like pixels and sound waves, into something with real purpose.
This quote from the source material just says it all perfectly. To a computer, a picture or a sound is just a long string of numbers. That's it. But AI is the magic that transforms those boring numbers into actual understanding. It's where the math finally meets meaning. Which brings us to our final thought. We've given machines sight and hearing, and it's already changing our world like crazy. So the big question to leave you with is this. If machines can already see and hear, what sense do you think they'll learn next?